Good morning, guys. Let me straighten this out here. Focus it in. All right. It is May the 3rd, 2019. It is 6:40 in the morning. This is your earthquake report for the morning. These are earthquakes that happened overnight, plus the ones that happened this morning. Just caught up, all right? Here we go. There was a 3.2 Panama-Costa Rica region at 16.7 miles in depth. A 4.8 Philippines at 72.0 miles in depth. There was a 3.3, started out as a 3.5 Central California, 9 miles west of Templeton. That came in at 3.1 miles in depth. The 3.1 Chile at 67.1 miles in depth. A 2.2 Southern California, 2 miles northeast of Big Bear City at 1 mile in depth. A 4.1 southeast of Honshu, Japan at 241 miles in depth. A 2.2 California, 28 miles northeast of Soledad, that came in at 5.5 miles in depth. A 3.8 Lombok region, Indonesia at 8.6 miles in depth. A 3.0 Eastern Mediterranean Sea at 44.7 miles in depth. There was a 4.6 Philippines at 64 miles in depth. A 3.2 Chile region at 149.1 miles in depth. A 3.9 Northern Iran, 0 miles in depth. A 2.1 Southern California, 4 miles southeast of Loma Linda, and that came in at 7 miles in depth. A 3.0 Central California, 6 miles west of Templeton, and that came in at 3 miles in depth. There was another one, 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes later, 1 minute later, a 3.0 Central California. That one was 5 miles west of Templeton at 3 miles in depth. There was a 2.4 Central California, 14 miles southeast of Yoment. I'll put the name in the box, guys. I can't pronounce this. Yosemite Valley, I think. Yosemite Valley at 8 miles in depth. A 2.1 Greater Los Angeles area. That was 9 miles south of San Bernardino. That came in at 7.4 miles in depth. Then there was a 4.8 Northwest Madagascar at 6.2 miles in depth. All right, guys, I'm hoping all these links go in. If not, this will be part 1 of part 2. Part 1 of 2, I should say. All right, been a long morning. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. 2 thumbs up. Please be safe out there, please.